Hello and welcome to Zeiss India in Bangalore, a 176-year-old company. You are right now in Bangalore and I am Krishna Khandelwal, heading the factory operations for Zeiss in the Industrial Quality Solutions division. Zeiss India IQS manufacturing started in the year 2012. Over the years, we have introduced many models in the Indian manufacturing footprint. The Make in India story has been pretty strong at our end, as well as we have contributed to the exports out of India also. We are already making CMMs, which are part of a niche industry in the metrology space. We build rich type CMMs in India, and the products that we do are closer to the 1.5 micron accuracy tolerance measurements. The decision to start the India assembly setup in 2012 has helped us to be the market leaders in this industry. We are continuously working to improve our processes as well as increase the local content of our machines to be more competitive in the market space. The machines which are assembled in India are not only for the domestic market, we also supply machines out of India to the world market, which means machines which are assembled here are exported to countries like Mexico, Thailand, South Korea, Germany and all other different parts of the world. Today, machines assembled in India are exported to 32 countries all across the world. While we continuously work to bring more products and technologies into the India manufacturing, that is one of our key future goals, we are also looking to scale up the Indian suppliers to be able to supply parts out of India to the global IQS factories worldwide. These are the two areas of future thrust that we will be focusing on. That close to 50% of the machines which are assembled in India are exported to the world market is a measure of success of how good we have been in delivering to the quality and the performance of the machine that we build here. It is a matter of great pride for myself personally as well as for our team that we are able to meet the requirements of all our customers worldwide and also help in scaling up the quality standards of the Indian manufacturing industry. That we contribute to that is a great success story for us.